Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon. My name is Ahmad Satibi from Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia, and I today honored to present to systematic literature review on pedagogical approach in ocean literacy education, innovation, and effectivities. This research was conducted collaborative with Dr. Agustiawan, Profesor Iwa Kuntadi, Profesor Isma Widiati, and my friend Dwi Fitria Al-Husaini. Okay. Research background. Let me begin by highlight the underground challenge. Our ocean cover to 70% of Earth's surface, yet uh, 2, 2% of the global population. Adequately understand the ocean-human relationship. The consequence are alarming. 8 million ton on plastic enter our ocean annually. 30% of fish stock are overexploited. Marine ecosystem degradation continues to accelerate. Ocean literacy is not just educational concern, it essential for activating SDGs number 14, 13, and 4. Life below water, climate action, and quality education. This is why the UN Ocean Decade position ocean literacy as central to transforming humanity. Relationship with the ocean, what we urgently need effective pedagogical approach that go to beyond traditional knowledge and transmission. However, current to Asian literacy educational face four critical challenges. First, limited integration program remain localized without standardized model that can be replaced globally. Second, the digital undefined technology integration is actually exacerbating educational inequalities between developed and developing region. Third, assessment limited, most evaluation focus on knowledge again rather than sustainable pro-ocean behavior. Fourth, the knowledge behavior gap. We are discovering that knowledge doesn't automatically translate into action, value, social norm, and structural barriers play crucial mediating roles. What we need a pedagogical approach that simulation address cognitive, affective, behavioral, and systematic dimension. Research methodology to address this gap, we conduct systematic literature review, PRISMA, with the Spider framework, or inclusion criteria, reduce previous publication from 2020 for 2025. English Lit, explicit ocean or marine literacy focus, discussion of pedagogical approach, empirical data, or systematic analysis. As you can see our Prisma flow diagram, we start with over 50,000 initial record from Scopus database, reviewed to multiple filter and utilized analysis 90 high quality article that meet all our criteria. This time is particularly significant as capture be about on the UN Ocean Decade launch and post-pandemic digital transformation. Okay, for dominant pedagogical cluster, Arithmetical analysis relevant for the dominant pedagogical cluster emerging in contemporary ocean literacy education. First, game-based and experimental learning. Six study that include augmented reality board games, hand-on activity, and flight experience. This approach saw significant effectivities in promoting peer interaction and multidimensional engagement. Second, technological engagement education, five study. This cluster encompasses AR, VR platform, digital tool, and online learning environment, technological, particularly vocabulary for reaching local popularity who have limited access to marine environment. Three, place-based and contextual learning for study. This approach contact local marine environment to learn life experience, expanding relevant talk to local coastal issue and cultural marine heritage. This proved especially effectivity in coastal community. Fourth, interdisciplinary and system thinking for study. This framework integrated natural science, social science, and humanity to develop holistic understanding of complex ocean climate society interaction. Significant pedagogical innovation. Net, we now highlight five groundbreaking innovation. AR games study show this aging not just knowledge but also attitude and activism engagement going for beyond traditional lecture. Citizen science application. This mobile application develop both ocean literacy and data literacy simulation, preparing study for 20th century environmental challenges. Co-creation model. Perhaps most exciting is the shift toward community participant in the curriculum development, moving from to top down to collaborative design. Impressive AR, VR, this technology are successful visualizing complex oceanic process like identification and curriculation partner for a local population who may never visit the coast. Digital storytelling, this both power emotionally connection and help develop ecological identity, addressing and affective dimension of the neglected in traditional approach. We are visiting a paradigm shift moving from teacher-centered lecture toward impressive participatory technology engagement approach that engage learner on multiple levels. Effectivity and indicator outcome. However, when we examine how effective in measure, we found critical gaps. The primary focus area, knowledge acquisition, measured in naturally our study, attitude formation, asset in about 70% of studies, not behavioral change. This is a critical gap. 70% studies measure cognitive outcome, but 42% access behavioral dimension, and most of the measure only in intention rather than occult sustainable behavior. The measured outcome include engagement, improved scientific understanding, environment communication skill, and the emotional connection of marine environment, all valuable but instrument is the develop of standardized multidimensional assessment framework that can track long-term behavioral impact, not just immediate knowledge gains. Geographic analysis, relevant significant impacts. The research concern in the three region, Australia, Brazil, Mediterranean. But her critical issue, small island developing state, local nation, and the region in the Africa, Asia, and critically underrepresented deficit having the highest ocean dependency and being most vulnerable to marine degradation. The tell story international co-authorship 50.70 79 research from global north countries over 75%. The geographic impact main develop pedagogical approach that don't work will the context need most. Implication, so what the means for the future of ocean literacy education. The first assessment framework, we must develop an evaluative standardized multidimensional evaluation tool that can measure knowledge, attitude, and behavioral across context. Second, geographic diversity. We urgently need expand salt collaboration and as a culture responsive ocean literacy research cannot remain by global network Pacific. Third, longitudinal studies. Fourth, we need sustainable funding to track impact over years, not just week or month after intervention. Fourth, technology equity. As we embed technology engagement, learning, we must simulation address the digital divide to ensure equity access a learner. The essential requires a based approach, cultural responsive design, robust assessment, adequate research, cross-disciplinary collaboration. Or visit for the 2030 Ocean Literacy Education Dash secretly sound culturally relevant, pedagogical effective, and social just. Thank you for the essential key takeaway pedagogical transformation or toward learner-centered technology engagement approach for dominant cluster, game-based, technological engagement, place-based, interdisciplinary, critical gaps, behavior assessment, geographical diversity, curriculum integration, fitur fokus, standardized framework, cultural adaptation, equitable. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.